Hey there, welcome back to another BankExtract tutorial. Today we are going deep into the Categorizer by popular request. We know that accounting categorization is the most tedious process for any accountant. That is exactly why we need to solve it right now. Once you truly understand the Categorizer, extracting and organizing your expenses will feel like magic. Let's dive in. Here we have a sample bank statement. Let's extract it quickly. Whoops, it looks like the rows are a bit messy. No problem, let's just tweak the row tolerance in the settings to separate them better. Perfect. Now that our data is extracted, let's head to the editor and open the Categorization tab. The app needs a little info to get started. 1. Which column contains the concepts or descriptions? 2. Where do you want to insert the new category column? 3. And finally, which columns are your debits and credits? Defining debits and credits is optional, but I highly recommend it. Otherwise, the system won't know if money is coming in or going out. Alright, here we are in the Categorizer. It might look like a lot, but trust me, it's super simple. In the center, we create our rules. On the left, we see our raw data, and on the right, we see the rules we've built. Let's start. Let's filter for Uber. Okay, I see a few different movements here. There are two ways to categorize. First, the exact match. See Uber Eats? That's not transport, that's food. So, let's select that specific row and tag it as Meals and Entertainment. This rule is exact. The second way is by keyword. If the concept contains the word Uber, let's tag it as Transportation. Now, listen closely because the order matters. The system reads from top to bottom. It will first catch Uber Eats as a meal. Then, everything else with Uber becomes transport. This is how you handle exceptions perfectly. You can do the same for taxes, transfers, or specific fees. Just set a keyword and it automatically categorizes every transaction that matches. You can even create rules specific to debits, credits, or both. This helps you distinguish between paying a supplier and receiving a refund from them. And here is the best part. Once you finish, you don't have to do it again. Click Save to keep your rules for next month. Now, hit Apply. We are back in the editor and look at that! All your categories are filled in! But wait, look at this button here. Click on Summary. Boom! A full financial summary and net balance per category ready to go. If you need this data elsewhere, just click Download or use the Copy button to paste it straight into your own Excel sheet. And that's it! You have officially mastered the Categorizer. If you need more examples or a deeper dive, leave a comment below. Also, keep an eye on bank-extract.com, where we'll be releasing a full pro manual soon. See you in the next one!